super quick tips to make your low-end PC faster. First, click on the Windows search bar and type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it and select Adjust for best performance. Then click Apply and OK. Now type Defragment Optimize Drives. Open it and select all your drives. Then click Optimize to clean them up. Next, search for Disk Cleanup and select your drive. Now check all the boxes and press OK to delete junk files. This should help most of the users. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape at the same time to open Task Manager. Here, go to the Startup tab and disable everything you don't need on startup. This really affects the performance. If you use Discord, open it. Now go to Settings, scroll down to Game Overlay, and turn it off. Same thing with Steam. Open Steam, go to Settings, click on In-Game, and turn off the Steam overlay. Both of these run in the background and use your CPU unnecessarily. Now go to the Windows search bar and type Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Set the highest refresh rate available. This will make your gameplay feel much smoother. After that, open Windows Settings again, go to the gaming section, click on Game Mode, and make sure it's turned on. Then go to Graphics Settings, click on Default Graphics Settings, and turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. But if you notice any stuttering, come back and turn it off again. We'll adjust your power settings for better performance. Open the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Click on Hardware and Sounds, then click on Power Options. Next, click on Show Additional Plans. Select the plan called High Performance. This setting tells Windows to use full CPU power instead of saving energy. It's perfect for editing, gaming, or recording with OBS. And finally, if you have NVIDIA, right-click on the desktop. Go into the NVIDIA control panel. Click Adjust Image Settings with Preview. Select Let the 3D application decide. Now click on Manage 3D Settings to change the settings. To reset them, then click Restore at the bottom, and again at the top right. And that's it. Your PC should now feel smoother, lighter, and faster.